Rich at DryHero.com. This is how we save our clients tens of thousands of dollars on costly tear out and replacement. We're on a water damage project. The ceilings, unfortunately, were not salvageable. However, we have custom built-in cabinets, countertops, plumbing, fixtures, appliances that are wet. Drywall is wet, cabinets are wet, substructure is wet, and they are prone to mold growth if you don't get them dried out. So what we're going to do is we're going to save everything. We're going to dry the cabinets, substructure, drywall, and when we're done, we're going to prove it's dry, we're going to document this dry, and we're going to guarantee the client there will be no mold growth from this water damage event. So if you have water damage in your home, before you start tearing out expensive finishes, give me a call at 402-438-2379, and I will give you an honest, candid assessment of your situation.